Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Are you ready for your next phonics lesson? Good. I know that time is going by so quickly, but did you know that there was a mouse underneath your couch right now? I could hear it. There's a mouse underneath your couch. Go look. I can hear it. Go and look. There's a mouse under your couch. I'm going to wait. Did you look? I made you look. April Fools. Did you know that today is the first day of April? It is the new month. And on April Fool's Day, you get to say a joke to your mom and dad. You tell them, Mom, guess what? There's a alligator in the backyard. And they're going to say, What? No. And they're going to freak out. And then you say, April Fools. Okay? You need to tell them that. You need to go say a joke. All right? It's April Fool's Day. So you tell them a little joke like that. And then you say, April Fools. It's all day today, Wednesday. So you need to go and do that. All right? Okay. Now, relax and enjoy your next phonics lesson. We don't have a paper today, but we're going to read a story. We're going to mark it, and you are going to help me look for special sounds and vowels, right? Are you ready? We're going to start with the story first, and then I'm going to tell you about two new special sounds. So, ready? Here we go. Okay, I'm going to share the screen with you today, and you're going to follow along with me. So let me get that up right now, and I'm going to click on the share button, and we're going to get that on there for you right away. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It should go on right now. Oh, there it is. Thank you for being patient. Here we go. We're going to start reading this story by starting with the title. So let's begin with the title. Here we go. And you're going to read it along with me, and I'm going to circle the special sounds, and I'm going to put a straight stick or a smiley face over the vowels as they need them, right? Here we go. The new shirt. So remember, the is a sight word. So we're going to circle. Ooh, that's really big, Miss Martinez. We're going to go ahead and bring that lower, a little bit thinner. And here we go. Let's see that one. Oh, that's much better. Remember silly Miss Martinez when she does that in class? You're like, whoa, Miss Martinez, that's so big. You're right. So now this is the best size, right, for the circling. Are you ready? Here we go. The new shirt. So you have four special sounds. The is a sight word, though. The is a sight word. U in what? Flew, in ship, and in bird, right? The new shirt. The title tells you what the story is going to be about. It's going to be about a new shirt, not a cat, not a dog, not a monkey. It's going to be about a new shirt. Got it with me so far? Now, then we start the story. Brent needed a new shirt. Do you see how I read that sentence? Smoothly. Brent needed a new shirt. And there's a punctuation at the end of that sentence called a period. Now let's go over it slowly. Brent, Burr and bride, Brent needed, ed in wanted, ed, needed a new shirt. And then again, there's that period right there. So that's the end of the sentence, and it begins with a capital letter, which is for two reasons. It's a name of a boy, and it is starting the sentence, right? Brent needed a new shirt. Now let's start the new sentence with a capital letter. Mom went to the cloth store. So mom, short vowel sound. Went. To is a sight word. The is a sight word. And cloth, you have two special sounds and a short vowel sound. Cool in clock, ah, and then in thick, cloth. Store, st, or store. And then there's a period. That means that there's another sentence that's going to start. So you need to write a capital letter, okay? She, E and me, E, she got cloth with sailboats. Sailboats is a compound word, boys and girls. Remember that? That means you have two small words, you put it together, squeeze them together, and it makes a new word, sailboat. On it, on it. So let's read that smoothly. Brent needed a new shirt. Mom went to the cloth store. She got cloth with sailboats on it. Why do you think Mom got cloth with sailboats on it? Well, maybe because it was for her son Brent, right? And the sailboats are prints that he may like for his shirts, right? So then there's a period at the end. Now let's begin again. She made a shirt with short, or in morning, OR, sleeves. Do you notice the word sleeves has three vowels? When there are three vowels in the word, then the first one's going to take the long sound, and then you're going to cross off most of the time the next two vowels in the word. Sleeves, period. Think in thick, and ank and bank, A and K. Thank you, Mom, for my, I am fly, Y, new shirt, period. These are called commas, boys and girls. That means you pause and then you continue reading. You don't stop all the way like a period. It doesn't mean that the sentence is over. It just means that you need to pause. And whatever is in between the two commas, that's what they were trying to let you know that Brent is thanking Mom. Thank you, Mom, for my new shirt. Who is Brent thanking? Mom, right? Very good. So now let's read the story again, and you read it with me, all right? I'm going to underline it as you read it with me. Here we go. Brent needed a new shirt. Mom went to the cloth store. She got cloth with sailboats on it. She made a shirt with short sleeves. Thank you, Mom, for my new shirt, period. And that's the end of the story, right? Did you like that little story? Good. Now we're going to go on here. These are words that have to do with our new special sounds of the day. Okay, we have in asleep, A, and all in also, AL. So let's take a look at the top two. It says so you circle it. See how I went ahead and wrote it in a different color? Alone, alone. I feel alone when I am in my room, alone. Now, this word here is called, this over here, this is called a prefix, and the root word comes after the prefix, okay? Alone, part, R and star. So which means, boys and girls, that if the red A was not there, there would still be a word, right? It could stand alone. Alone. So if you were to erase the A like this, word and part, you see that? That's still a word. It's called, that means that that word here, the root word, is after the prefix. Now let me put that back. Alone and apart. You see that? Now let's go to the bottom. Always. Now that's all in, remember, all in also AL. Always. Ways. A and pray, AY, and almost. Excuse me. Most. Okay, almost. So then if you were to take away the all, let me erase those. There is still a word, right? Most and ways. That's still a word, right, by itself. But you put a prefix and the words change to almost and always. You see that? All right, let's go ahead and just for fun, I wrote some words down at the bottom part of this paper and we will go ahead and mark that. This is eat, has two vowels. So eat, like this. Make, long vowel. Fur and frog, FR, og, frog. And he, those short words are kind of tough for you sometimes, right? It's he, right? And then I'm going to write a word, hope. Hope. You see that? Hope. Very good. All right, you got it. Very good, guys. Now I'm going to put this down over here. And I'm going to go ahead and show you some more of these sight words. And we're going to read them together. Okay, here we go. Your comes one, the number one. Mr. There. Mrs. Again. Mother. Were. Live. There. Father. Got it? Okay, very good. All right, boys and girls. So please make sure that you do click on the chart video. I need you to go through those charts every day with me. All right, from 6 to 13, they're on that same video. You can fast forward, you can move to the front chart 6 or go all the way to 12 and 13, whatever you want. But I want you to review them every day. And it is also important that you, just go over your little book. Make sure that you're reading every day, 2 pages every day. I need to trust that you're going to do that because sometimes mommies and daddies are busy. So you have to get your book out and read it and show mommy and daddy what you read because I'm going to be asking, what book are you on? So I can maybe read with you from time to time. All right? So I hope you enjoyed the lessons. Remember, say a trick to your mom and dad today because it's April Fool's Day. Shh, don't tell them I said. All right. Bye. I love you and I miss you. Have a good day.